Previously on Pig and Rick.
While you're here, click the thumbs up and subscribe. It don't cost nothing, it's free. I'm gonna try and start making some tomato seedlings today. But first, I gotta get my trays ready. I think this one holds 380. This one holds about 100, I think. I might spread them out though. I don't know if I want that many or not. Check this out, guys. The azaleas are in full bloom. Sure are loaded with blooms. They look pretty, don't they? Oh yeah, I'm getting there now. For the seed to lay in, put the seeds in and come back with a little bit of dirt and cover them up, and they'll be ready to start. Now I'm putting the seeds in there. These are homesteads. I'm planting these homesteads just because I had the seeds, not for no particular reason. They're a good tomato, you know. I'm going to plant some big beef and German Johnson seeds here in just a second. Just as soon as I run out of these, there's not many left in there. This little cedar is ideal for this, what I'm doing right here. This thing is a trick. It's got a little raised end down there where it'll hold them back, and you can drop one seed at a time most of the time right in the hole you want it. You don't have to try to fiddle with it with your fingers or nothing. Pretty slick little deal. I think Johnny Seed gave that to me for buying a bunch of seeds one time. Johnny Seeds. That tomato is Homestead. It's a Homestead tomato. $1.70. I've had them in the freezer forever. I hope they come up. Next, I'm going to fill out the rest of these German Johnsons. Well, that's all of the German Johnsons. Now I'm going to switch to this Burpee's Big Boy hybrid tomato. I'll probably have to take a couple of packets to finish out the rest of this tray. I keep them in the freezer. I've told you guys that before. I keep them in the freezer, but look at the date on that. 2013. And we'll see when they come up, if they come up, if the seeds were any good. They've been kept in the freezer now for ever how many years that is, you know. What's that, 7 years? Now I'm planting some giant Marconi peppers. This little tray is my pepper tray to get the plant started. These came from Seed Savers Exchange. They're Marconi red. They grow really good. They got a huge long red pepper, and boy are they sweet. I love them. Make some pepper relish out of them. Half of the tray in that, and half of the tray in California Wonder bell peppers. Hard to beat a good old bell pepper. And here's the newest addition to my little farm. I got 8 little pullets, and that black one's a straight run. Maybe it'll be a rooster. It looks like it's growing bigger than the rest of them already. So, see the little wings starting to get on them already? They're really starting to grow. Keeping them in this brood box works pretty good too. I don't think I've ever seen this one with this many blooms on it. That's amazing how many blooms are on this one. And check out these pink ones at the bottom part of my driveway. These things sure are loaded with blooms this year. They're really pretty. These are in full bloom too. Check out the butterfly. In fact, there's 2 butterflies and bumblebees all over these. There's another butterfly. Well, I was finally able to get started planting a little bit. In this row, I planted some onions. You can see a few of them starting to come up right there. A little bit. There's one. All the way down to the end. When you get down to the end of that row, I got some spinach, Swiss chard, and lettuce growing. Not growing, planted. Then in the row beside it right here, this is a whole row of shelling peas. I kind of like to eat them fresh out of the garden like that raw. They're pretty good. That's in the little garden. Over here in the big garden, I got 4 rows planted where those little stakes are. There's a row of sweet yellow corn, another row of sweet yellow corn, 3 rows, 4 rows. And it rained on everything last night, so hopefully it'll come on up. Appreciate you watching the video. Will give us a big thumbs up. And let me know what you planted. What's in your garden? What are you doing this year for gardening? Till we meet again, have a good day.